buildings. Valletta. That's where we are. We're in Valletta, Malta. Look at that walk. Up those steps every day. If you're not in shape, what?
Different events now. We get back to downsize, small size of vehicle. Next vehicle.
You mean we don't need a 12-passenger van?
Don't. They come in handy though.
Yeah, no,
they
you
just
don't.
work. So I feel the G-Wagon will just be fine. Slow Jeep.
Huh. Living, I don't know. I think living here, you just be, all you need is a good pair of shoes, walking shoes.
Nah, you tell them, I'm getting you a Segway because I ain't claiming I'm going to get something to claim out them things. Let hear about them
Yeah,
stuff
but
by itself.
imagine how fit we will be.
Fit?
Oh.
Fit. Got zero sugar. That's why they put all the restaurants at the top. So you work your appetite to get up there.
You definitely will. All right.
I have a funny feeling.
What?
I have a funny feeling lemons are good for me. Fresh lemons.
Fresh lemons are good for you? Imagine that.
Yes, please.
Why you say that?
That's what everything you need.
Ja, weg da.
See the boy?
Ja, dann
No.
geh doch bitte nicht da rein. Weg da.
Tell them to stop walking off. My name is Milu. I'm from the good old USA. But I was born in the Cape Verde Islands.